In the middle of a stormy night, people kept walking past a soggy cardboard box on the sidewalk. Most didn't notice, but inside, faint cries were coming from within. A passerby finally stopped and opened the box. Inside was a tiny kitten, soaked, shivering, and too weak to stand. For a moment, it looked like he wouldn't make it. But the stranger wrapped him in a warm towel, took him home, and gave him food, love, and safety. Weeks later, that tiny kitten grew into a healthy, playful cat with a second chance at life. If you found this box, would you stop to open it? Comment below what you would do.